Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Anne, a registered dietitian with the Healthy Start Parenting Support Program. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cold-fighting, bone-building smoothie, a berry banana smoothie. Letting your kids help you make this smoothie will help them develop their fine motor skills, as they can help you peel the banana, cut the banana into chunks, or pour the milk or soy beverage into a cup. It can help them learn math and science concepts, as if you're using strawberries, they can help you count them up. They can help you cut up the strawberries or measure out 1 cup of frozen berries. It can help grow their vocabulary, as they will learn phrases like cutting the bananas into chunks or blending the mixture until smooth and creamy. It helps promote healthy eating. Children are more likely to try new food or new food combinations when they help make it. Then, if you taste the food they help you make, it shows them that you like the food they help you make or they have made on their own. This helps to build self-esteem. The smoothie that we made today helps fight colds, as they are made with berries. Berries are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is important to help the immune system stay healthy. The milk or fortified soy beverage used contains protein and calcium. Protein helps your child grow and also helps maintain a healthy immune system. Calcium, as you may well know, is very important for strong teeth and bones. To make this cold-fighting, bone-building smoothie, you need a cup of berries that can be fresh or frozen, a nice ripe banana, and half a cup of milk or fortified soy milk. For the equipment, you're going to need a cutting board, a knife, a blender, or a handheld one with the glass that goes with it. And you also would like a glass to pour the smoothie in at the end. Optional are straws for both you and your child to enjoy the smoothie. The first thing we're going to do is peel the banana. And then we're going to cut the banana in half. And take half the banana and then cut the half of the banana into chunks. Then I'm just going to add that or put that into the my blender glass or cup. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of berries. If you are, and here I've just used a mixture of frozen blackberries and raspberries, because that's what I have in the house, but you can certainly use, as I said, fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, and fresh blackberries as well. Okay, and of course, if you have some, there might still be in the market some fresh raspberries. And to this berry and banana mixture, I'm going to pour in half a cup of milk. Then I'm going to take my wand and we're going to blend it. So hopefully this is not going to be too loud. Once it's all done, we're going to grab a cup or glass, and I'm going to pour half of it in. All right. And at this point, it's ready to be enjoyed directly from the glass or with a straw. This cold-fighting, bone-building smoothie is a healthy snack all on its own. It contains 2 different food groups of Canada's Food Guide. The bananas and the berries belong to the vegetable and fruit group, and the milk or fortified soy beverage you use belongs to the protein group. I hope you and your child will make this smoothie together. Till next time, enjoy.